It's been a minute. It's been a little minute. I think it's been about 2 weeks since I uploaded. And I'm gonna explain to you guys why in this video. Today we're gonna be talking about a car and a certain car. I get to any of that, I need to go pick something up for that said car. So let's go pick it up. Huge. Oh, just got the lip loaded up on the back. Your boy got himself a lip finally for the Civic. Much needed, well needed. Huge shout out to Simon, who's right here. I got his business card right there for getting your boy taken care of fairly quickly. The Civic needs a lip ASAP. Obviously we need to wrap it and stuff, so let's go and head back home. We have about a 40-minute drive and then we can talk. But oh, there's a smudge on y'all. And then we'll talk about what's going on with the Civic. See y'all in a bit. That was the new Tacoma right there, and I don't know, guys. It looks pretty badass. Let me know your guys' thoughts on that. I know I don't really have too many off-road people that watch this, but the new Tacomas look pretty badass. I can't lie to you. I know they got rid of the V6, went to a twin turbo. I think it's a single turbo. I don't even know if it's twins or single now, but I don't know. It looks badass to me. I wonder how it does off-roading, which I'm sure it does good as hell. I don't know, fellas. We'll see. We might have to get one. Or hopefully the new 400 comes out. I don't know. Look how dirty she is. I haven't driven this car in like maybe a couple weeks. So gross. Ugh. If she starts up though, boys. I think she got some gas in her. Right up, like a champ. Like a champ. This car needs a good cleaning. Like I said, I haven't used it in like weeks. It's gross in here. I mean, I haven't driven this car at all, so I'm sure you guys are interested. I've been posting pretty much all 400 content, but let's talk about the Civic. I'm gonna get it pulled in the garage and we'll talk a little bit about it. It's so weird being in like a lowered car again, but look how gross she is. Ooh. I got the lip out here sitting in the sun, so hopefully we take a shave because there's a piece of it that's a little jacked up, but I'll show you guys that in a bit. I got the lip on the car and it actually doesn't look that bad. I'm actually kind of digging that. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse than what it is. Obviously we're gonna have to wrap it, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, but this is supposed to be like a Mugen style wing or lip. It honestly doesn't look that bad. I actually kind of like that. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like when it's color matched, which I do have some wrap left over up there. That actually looks pretty good. Maybe with the splitter, it'll look a little bit more aggressive, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. I do have this part just kind of sitting on there. This little black piece. Just come on and see what it looks like. I still need to get badges. Still need to get the rear badge, some side skirts, but honestly, this looks pretty good. Got the lip all cleaned up. I used some Comet, which is like a bleach, to try to clean and get some of the oils off of it. Hopefully I did a good job, but if not, I do have this plastic adhesion promoter, which helped with the front and rear bumper on this car, which did a pretty good job at making sure the vinyl stuck to it. So we're pretty much good and ready to go. The car does need a wash. It's supposed to be raining this weekend or next week, so I'm not going to be going to wash it just yet because it's just going to get dirty again, but it kind of sucks. I might do like a little hand wash just to kind of get all that stuff off of it. It's gross. It's really gross. so dirty in here. While you guys are over there chilling, let's talk about the car. Let's talk about the SI, what it's supposed to be, what it's going to be. Obviously, content hasn't fully been there for this car right now. Obviously, there's a reason to it. I have been busy doing or having fun with the 4Runner. We took it off-roading a little bit last weekend. Nothing too crazy, but we still took it. And it was a bunch of fun. But now we can talk about the SI. This car ultimately was going to be the ultimate street car. That isn't the case anymore. Obviously now we have a daily. There's a lot of stuff I want to do to it. I want to swap it. I want to put a K24 in it, and I want to track it. Finally want to track the car. Now that I have a reliable daily that I can trust, I can put my efforts all into this car. Like I said, initially, this car was going to be the ultimate street daily. God, there's some runoff. It was going to be the ultimate street daily. Now, I kind of want to get into tracking a little bit. Have I ever been to the track? No. Have I ever always wanted to take my past cars to the track? Duh. And we take this one. I mean, if you think about it, it's already tuned. It's had wheels and tires, but it's got suspension. Not the best suspension. We can always upgrade that. But I feel like it's the perfect beginner car to learn how to track. So I already have a seat for it. If you guys remember, I had an energy seat, which is sitting over there, which I was going to sell. I think the play might be to just use it. There's a couple things I need to do. Raise the car a little bit. Fix the camera in the rear. Let me kind of show you guys the camera in the rear. It's kind of gnarly. You guys can kind of see that. It's a little tilty boy. So we need to fix that a little bit. Straighten that out on both sides. Raise the car up a little bit and get some wheels and tires. Like I said, track car, still a budget car to me. I don't want to go too crazy, but knowing me, I will end up going crazy. I'm gonna move the 4Runner because I need to wash some mud off of it. Let me know what you guys think, man. I'm truly excited for this car. Jesus, my thing keeps falling. I'm truly excited for this car to become the track car. Obviously, this car does mean a little bit to me, only because we sold basically the Type R to drive that car. So I'm like kind of hesitant about getting rid of it and selling it. What I want to do. So it's just going to be, like I said, the track car. There has been a couple of track events I've been invited to, haven't went to, obviously. I think it's time we just go for it and try it out. You never know. I might love it and I might hate it. And if I hate it, I just won't do it again. So there's that. But I am so happy that I have this 4Runner. Literally the best purchase I've ever done. Can't go wrong with it. But I need to wash some mud off of it. Me and Nancy took a little trail that wasn't open, but we had some offshoots. I'll kind of show you guys some clips, but she got a little dirty, bud. And you can see in there, a little mudgy. I kind of want to take the mud off and clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna do a full wash. This one needed it. It was sitting freaking under that tree. So we're gonna wash the 4Runner.